Twilio versus Vonage versus Plivo. Which cloud communications platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down the differences between Twilio, Vonage, and Plivo, so you can pick the one that actually fits your business or project. Let's start with Twilio. It's the most popular of the three, known for reliable SMS, voice, and WhatsApp APIs. Great for developers who want mature tools and deep integrations. But it's gotten more expensive over time, especially if you're sending high volumes. Next up is Vonage. Vonage offers similar features but focuses more on business communications, like team messaging and video. It's good for companies building customer engagement apps, but their pricing can be unclear, and some users report inconsistent support. Now let's talk about Plivo. Plivo is developer-friendly too, with competitive pricing and flexible tools. It's great for businesses looking for solid SMS and voice services without paying premium prices. But compared to Twilio, it has fewer plug-and-play integrations. So which one is better? If you want the industry standard and don't mind the cost, go with Twilio. If you're building a communication-heavy app and need a full suite of tools, try Vonage. And if you're looking for something powerful but budget-friendly, Plivo might be your best bet. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.